So what are the top 3 stocks to invest in right now in the month of September? What's going on, guys? My name is Jason Byers. Welcome back to another video of Profit Chasers. Today I'm going to break down my top 3 stocks I see right now on my watch list. I'm going to shoot a quick video for you guys, try to keep it under 5 minutes to not waste your time, but to hopefully make you guys some money. So the very first one I have on my computer screen is Apple, ticker symbol AAPL. Everyone knows Apple, and why is it on my watch list? So the last few days, the market's been selling off, creating great opportunity for us. As you can see right here, it consolidated and bounced off the 15-day EMA line. That's an indicator I use. EMA means exponential moving average. If you guys would like to know more about it, please DM me. But it's showing me a clear buy sign. As you can see, a few months ago, it bounced off of it and created a great opportunity, almost 50% growth from the stock split news. But right now it shows a great opportunity of buying. It is showing some confirmation. How do I know it's confirmation? The MACD lines have crossed and the RSI shows to be a little oversold. So if I could pick up some shares right now and sell just at the last high, it's almost 20% growth. As you know, stocks like tech are great stocks to hold long term because tech is the future. Hopping right into the next one is Amazon. So Amazon is same setup as Apple, kind of bouncing off the EMA, actually dipped below it and now broke above it. Amazon is the biggest company in the world, so I don't foresee this selling off anytime soon. As you can see, the last 6 months is a consistent uptrend. Last 3 years, about the same thing. So I'm on the 60-day chart, or the 180-day chart, the 6-month chart, sorry. So every single candle is a 4 hours over the span of the last 6 months. Amazon is the second choice of mine because it is just, the biggest company out there and it's a safe investment. Yes, the price per share is a little bit higher end with almost $3,500 per share. It's a lot harder for beginner investors to invest in. Maybe you could get 1 or 2 shares. So that's why it's not my number one. Or honestly, it's probably my top 3. I like Apple a little bit more. The setup's a little nicer, and the ROI is proven to be a little bit better. I held Apple for one night, a little bit riskier trade a few weeks ago, right before the big sell-off, and I sold almost at the top at $36 and ran at about $38, and I made a little bit over $1,000 on a blue chip stock. But my number one is Tesla. I made a video describing why it's my number one, and now I'm going to show you exactly what I see value in. I made a little bit under $2,000 today, as you can see right in the top right corner, just swing trading it today alone. I bought in right at before the approach of the MACD crossover. Yeah, it was a little bit premature, but what I see value in, it bounced off the SMA line and it broke above the EMA line. As you can see, past times it's been rejected by this EMA line. And now that it broke above, it's showing me more confirmation of a reversal. Volume is picking up. Is above the SMA line, the 180-day SMA, which is something you always want to see in a long-term trade because it shows a consistent uptrend. Battery day is right around the corner, and that is huge news. Elon Musk, there's a lot of things he's planning on revealing. Battery day is a consistent catalyst year in, year out for Tesla. Last battery day was huge. This one, it could be anything from the 1,000,000-mile battery, which would shoot this thing well over its all-time high, I believe. It could be production on the Model Y. We don't know yet, but that is September 22nd, so mark it down. And what I see is hype trying to buy in before battery day, which could lead us into the 450 range. That's why I have my alerts right here. I plan to sell if it does break below 320. I think actually I'm going to set my stop loss a little bit higher to mitigate my risk, around 350. I have, as you can see on my screen, about 40 shares of it right now. But Tesla is my number one. I love the company. I love Elon Musk. And I just think, why would you not bet against the biggest tech company right now? It's proven time and time again to be a safe investment, from $70 to $538. Post-split, of course. Pre-split, it went to $2,500. It's a cheaper stock, not the cheapest, but most of you that I know can get a few shares of this before it rips up into the $600 range. And tech is only getting started with Elon Musk. I read today that he plans on actually replacing Uber with a Tesla Uber, and just those are just some of the things that he has off his mind. So that's my number one. It goes Tesla, Apple, and Amazon. I am holding Tesla currently. I'm looking for a buy in Apple about midday tomorrow if it starts to uptrend again. A little bit consolidation. I'd like to see it break 120 before I buy in, just for more safer purposes. It did cross the MACD lines, is something I really look for, but it's just a great opportunity. Apple's a perfect clean setup. Tesla, it did get rejected once, as you can see right here, for the break above the EMA. Now it's a little bit more above it, so I'm a little bit more confident, especially after market. But I will be watching it closely today, and I plan on selling around the $600 range. I think personally this thing could very easily be in the $800 range by the end of the year, if not $1,000. I keep on my price predictions for Tesla keep on exceeding far beyond what I think. I did not think it would run to $538. I sold at about $518. Just because of the crossover, the MACD right here. If you guys would like to know my swing trading strategy more in depth, please DM me, leave a like, comment. Instagram right now is the best way to get a hold of me. If you're in the private Discord group, I'll put a link in the description to join, where I shout these stocks out, my admin shout out every single day. My admin Charles today killed it with a few trades off LUB and made just shy of about $4,000. Oop, that's LEBY. With a bull flag setup right here. Great trade. My other admin Nolan killed it today on, I'm not sure what stock he traded, but great setup that he shouted out at $2 and ripped to almost $2.50, I believe. If you guys would like to know more, please click the link in the description, like, and leave a comment.